Happy Friday. Mike here to bring you this week's featured opens in our same sweet spot. Okay, as a recap, here we go. I'm going to show you what we did last week. Now, please do not laugh at the odd shape here. Okay, it's roughed in. That is City of Chicago. We narrowed that down, obviously, as you have to, as you probably have already. All right, but we narrowed that down to area borders. Okay, so we dug in. All right, what do we got? We got 4 areas. Okay, so we have Lakeview, Uptown. We have Lincoln Square, which that's where I'm at, and then we have North Center. Okay, I'm right above that as well. So those are the key areas that many of the people that I know and work with, they are enjoying. I enjoyed a show there, and I know plenty about these spots. So anyway, so we found that we said, okay, this individual happens to like, Lakeview specifically. So, hey, do they have schools around here? Okay, yeah, we found some. All right, now you can dig in further, but follow along. All right. So, hey, good. We have ample schools, and many of them are exactly, what we're looking for. We have grocery, we have pharmacies to go to, and these are just, a handful here. And then we have, okay, now, well, what's my priority now? Okay, well, cool. That seems to have all that I want in a community, and I've already vetted everything else. Okay, there's certain things you need to do. Shared that last week as well. But all right, so where are the trains, right? I want to walk to a train stop. So typically for the average individual, a nice short or brief or, reasonable walk is about a quarter to a half mile or so. Okay, half mile is a bit much for some people as well. All right, but so we trimmed it down. I trimmed it down to, a closer distance. And how did I do that? Well, pull up the CTA trains. Okay. As you may or may not know, you have red lines, and then you have brown line coming in from northwest, okay, in Lakeview, and they meet in the middle. You can actually jump on, both of them. Belmont, okay, specifically is a good stop for that, all right? Anyway, so we said, okay, well, as long as I'm within, walking distance, cool. So as you can see here, these are the trains. So as you get out, at this point, this area here would be maybe a little much for these individuals. Again, this is hypothetical, all right? But very realistic, very practical at the same time, okay? So this could be you, all right? So I said, okay, well, finding a commute zone, all right? So this is a commute zone, okay? And then we said, all right, well, great. So that in that commute zone then, well, now what? Hey, I want to go out. I want to, have some dining, want to be able to walk, and, how walkable is the area? So we said, okay. So I went to Yelp, found the top 30 Yelp restaurants and popped them in here. All right. So there they are. They actually, seriously, this is the top 30 rated Yelp restaurants in Lakeview, and they all have to be right here. So knowing that, we said, you know what? We're going to carve out a sweet spot here. Okay. And here's that sweet spot zone. So let me turn off all of this. Okay. Oh, my dog this is real. All right. And I'm not in a studio somewhere. This is home office. And dogs will be dogs, I guess. She is acting up. She just had a really good treat. But anyway, all right. So yeah, this is our sweet spot now, right? And so all we need to do is say, well, we're just going to look for places inside of that spot. Why should I go out, beyond that if I know that this is where I'm looking? So we have the sweet spot zone. What I done then is I looked up on. Actually, I'm going to take you there. Actually, I'm going to take you there because they have this exact map over there. Okay, but here are the featured opens, okay, that were in that spot. And actually there's 7. Remember, I said there's 5 in one address. All right, let's go take a look. So check this out. I'm going to show you this. Okay, let me just recycle this. All right, so this is househounder.com. It'll pull you over to this page here. This should look the same, okay? So this is that Hounder map. I've embedded it for you. Okay, legit. Here are those open houses, actually. So this is that special map. So these are the same things that I showed you. You can look through those if you like, okay? But we have the sweet spot zone. We don't need that anymore, but our featured opens are right here. So let's dig in. Okay, control zoom, or you can use the plus key over there. As you can see, you can drag it. All right, so here are those addresses. All right, very cool. So we have this one here. Now, if you click on these, it will take you to the Real Scout page. All right, well, you can get all of the details for it. This is also mobile friendly, so you can use it there. Okay, what's also cool is that, yeah, you could, use this to navigate around, go to the location, to show you, and then you can view it in Google Maps and you can just go. Okay, whichever ones you do or do not want to go to, feel free. All right, and yeah, that's it. If there's anything else, please let me know. Hope this is helpful. Hope this is a little bit fun for you, and I hope this sparks some ideas. I encourage you to make your own map in Google Maps. It's not hard. Okay. Let me know if you have questions, and yeah, happy Friday. Have a wonderful week.